Why your aloe vera is turning brown in summer plus how to fix. If your aloe vera is turning brown right now, you're actually killing it with kindness. Summer heat isn't the real killer. You're making these 3 mistakes. And fix number 2 can save your plant in 24 hours. Watch till the end. Hey, last summer I killed 4 aloe plants before a nursery owner told me the truth. Brown leaves in summer are not normal. They're a stress signal. Today I'm showing you exactly why it happens and 5 fixes that work faster than moving your plant inside. These are nursery secrets. Number 1 mistake, sunburn, not heat. Aloe loves sunlight, but not sudden sunlight. If you move your plant from indoors to direct sun, the leaves get these white-brown patches. That's sunburn. It's like us getting a sunburn at the beach. Nursery trick, give it 7 days to adjust. Start with morning sun only. Mistake number 2, overwatering. In summer people think it's hot. I should water daily. Wrong. Heat plus wet soil equals root rot. If your bottom leaves are turning brown and mushy, your roots are drowning. The soil should dry 2 inches deep before the next watering. Fix number 1, the finger test. Only water when 2 inches of soil is completely dry. In summer, that's usually every 10 to 14 days, not every day. And always bottom water. Put your pot in a bowl of water for 10 minutes. This forces roots to grow down and become stronger. Fix 3, cut brown parts the right way. Don't cut the whole leaf off. That wastes plant energy. Use clean scissors and cut only the brown part at a 45-degree angle. This matches the natural leaf shape and the plant heals faster. New green growth will come from the center. Fix 4, emergency repot mix. If you have root rot, you need to repot immediately. Use this nursery mix, 50% sand, 30% potting soil, 20% perlite. This creates air pockets so water drains fast. Rot cannot spread in dry soil. Repot, remove all mushy roots, and don't water for 7 days. Fix 5, the shade cloth trick. Installing 50% shade net over plants. This is the nursery secret. Use 50% shade cloth. It's a $2 net that blocks half the sunlight. Put it over your aloe for 2 weeks. The sunburn stops immediately and brown patches won't spread. Nurseries use this for all succulents in summer. No shade cloth. Use an old white bedsheet for now. 3 things you must never do in summer. 1. Don't move a brown plant into direct sun. It will burn more. 2. Don't water daily because its hot roots will die. 3. Don't add fertilizer to a stressed plant. It will burn the roots. This was my aloe 3 weeks ago. Brown, mushy, dying. After these 5 fixes, look at it now. No puffs, green leaves, healthy roots. It works. Comment down below if your aloe is having this problem right now. I'll personally reply and tell you which fix to try first. And if you want my aloe pup separation video next, hit subscribe. Save your plant today.